How to fix camera or webcam not working on Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how you can solve if your camera or webcam is not working on Windows 10. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, first, if your webcam is not working, we first want to make sure that our camera is working just fine because sometimes it could be a hardware damage. So to check if it is not a hardware damage, just try opening up the camera app on your device here and you want to make sure to enable the permission. Now, sometimes it could also be that your privacy settings are disabled for camera. You must have turned off camera access. So you go to privacy and security, go to camera and turn on camera access over here. And this should hopefully give you access. And also for the app that is trying to access the camera via the webcam, you can just make sure to turn on that toggle as well. So once you've done that, that should hopefully solve the issue. You can also go ahead and go to camera device settings. And if you have any sort of another connected cameras over here, you can simply try to go ahead and then view those. Now, second thing, what you want to check over here is to simply check for Windows Update because sometimes updating your Windows might help you solve the problem. Third, just make sure that the cables for which your webcam that you're trying to connect is actually connected properly because sometimes the connection might not be made properly and you can also try to restart a computer to hopefully solve it. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.